Hey guys, Trevor Stevenson with American Construction Supply. We're here at World of Concrete 2023 and we're super excited to be here, and we're here at the Minnich station, and just wanted to talk with Sean here about something new that they're excited about. Sean, why don't you tell us a little bit more about it?
So this is our new single gang mini drill. So we built this drill to be a little bit lighter and a little more cost effective for contractors. We make a couple of different varieties of these drills, but this is our single gang version and the light version of it. I also wanted to highlight our new logo. That's a new thing for the show this year, so we just pay attention to that too.
Yeah. So what kind of contractor, what line of work do you think this would be the most successful in?
Any contractor that does concrete work, concrete roads, highways, things like this. This is used for rebar, so it drills into the grade and then you put rebar in. So anybody that does that kind of work.
Awesome, thanks Sean. So if you guys have any questions about this specific product, contact your local American rep, leave a comment, follow us on social media. Thanks guys.